Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Last day we have discussed how to divide decimal number by whole number. Even we have discussed some examples also. Okay. Today we will solve some questions from the exercise. After that I'll show you how to divide decimal number by another decimal number. So let's start. So here we have question number 1, 3813.3 and this we have to divide by 15. Okay, so this we have to divide by 15. Now how to divide you know very well. So here we have like this we have to arrange. Okay, so first we'll take 2-digit number. So here you can see we have 38 and that is greater than 15, so easily we can divide. So first it will go 2 times. When we multiply 15 by 2 we'll get 30. When we subtract we'll get 8 here. Okay, now bring down this 1 here. Now it became 81. Now it will go 5 times. 15 into 5 75. When we subtract we'll get 6. Okay, now bring down this 3 here. Now it became 63. Now it will go 4 times. Okay, 15 into 4 60. When we subtract we'll get 3. Okay, now here you can see we have decimal point. That means division of whole number part we have already finished. Okay, then we supposed to give decimal point in quotient. Okay, as you can see here. After that we have to take decimal part number. Okay, decimal part number. So here we have 3, so bring down this 3 here. Now it became 33. Now it will go 2 times. 15 into 2 30. Now when we subtract we'll get 3. Now you can see here we don't have any number, so using this decimal point we'll take 0 here. You know very well this decimal point allow us to take 0, so using that we can take here 0. Now it became 30. Now it will go 2 times. Okay, 15 into 2 30. When we subtract we'll get 0. Okay, so this is the answer 254.22. so this is how you can divide decimal number by whole number. Let me give you one more example. Let me solve one more question. Question number 6. We have 2345.10 and this we have to divide by 24. Okay, so first we'll take 2-digit number, but 2-digit number here we have 23 and that is less than 24, so we have to take 3-digit number. Okay, so first it will go 9 times. Okay, 24 into 9 216. When we subtract we'll get 18. Now bring down this 5 here. Now it became 185. Now it will go 7 times. 24 into 7 168. When we subtract we'll get 17. Now here you can see we have decimal point. That means the division of whole number part we have already finished, so we supposed to give decimal in quotient. Okay, as you can see here. Now bring down this 1 here. Now it became 171. Now it will go again 7 times. 168. Okay, when we subtract we'll get 3. Okay, now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 30. It will go now 1 time. So 24 into 1 24. When we subtract we'll get 6. Okay, now you can see here we don't have any number, so using this decimal point we can take 0. So according to that I have taken here. Now it became 60. Now it will go 2 times. Okay, 24 into 2 48. When we subtract we'll get 12. Okay, now using this decimal point only we have to take 0. So now it became 120. Now it will go 5 times. Okay, so 24 into 5 120. When we subtract we'll get 0. Okay, so this is the answer 97.7125. Understood? Now question number 4. This is question number 2. Okay, and 4. 3284.32. This we have to divide by 40. Okay, this we have to divide by 40. Last day we have seen how to divide. Suppose we have 23.15 divided. Suppose this is the decimal number, and this decimal number if you have to divide by 10, then how to divide? There's some rule we have studied. According to that, if we have to divide by 10, 100 and 1000, so according to that decimal point will move left side. Okay, will move left side. So here we are going to divide by 10, so according to this decimal point will move left side by 1 place. Okay, that means according to this we'll get 12.315. This is the answer. But here we have 40. Okay, here it was 10, but here we have 40. Okay, so this we can write like this: 4 into 10. See here, 3284.32 divided by 4 into 10. This we can write like this. Okay, 10 into 4, 40 only, so this we can write like this. Okay, now you write 3284.32, and this we have to divide by 4 into 10. 4 into 10. So what you have to do here, first you have to divide this decimal number by 10. After that, whatever you will get the result, that we have to divide by 4. Okay, first let me divide this decimal number by 10, and you see on the screen. So here we have 3284.32, and this we have to divide by 10. Okay, so right here 10. So according to this 10, this decimal point will move left side by 1 place. Okay, so answer will be 328.432. Okay, so according to rule, when you divide by 10, this decimal point will move left side by 1 place. Okay, so answer is 328.432. Okay, now this result we have to divide by 4. As you can see here, 328.432. This we have to divide by 4. Understood? Now divide this. So we have 328.432, and this we have to divide by 4. Okay, so first it will go 8 times. 4 into 8, 32. Both cancel. Now bring down this 8 here. Now 4 into it will go 2 times. 4 into 2, 8. Cancel. Now here you can see we have decimal point. That means division of whole number part we have already finished. Then we supposed to give here decimal point. Okay, now bring down this 4 here. Now it will go 1 time. 4 into 1, 4. When we subtract, we will get nothing. Then bring down this 3 here. Now you can see 3 is less than 4, so we cannot divide. So we have to take another number from the dividend. Okay, so for that we have to give 0 in quotient. Okay, then only we will be able to take 2. Okay, now it will go 8 times. 4 into 8, 32. When we subtract, we get nothing. Okay, so this is the answer, 82.108. Understood? So this is how you have to solve. Now let me show you how to divide decimal number by another decimal. So we have to follow some step. So here we first convert the divisor into a whole number. First we have to convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay, and this depends on the number of decimal places in the divisor. Okay, so it's depend on number of decimal places in the divisor. Okay, that I'll show you. Second step, thereafter we divide the new dividend by the whole number as discussed earlier. Now let me show you the example. So here we have 83.48 and that we have to divide by 2.5. Here you can see both the numbers are decimal number. Okay, now this we can write like this: 83.48 by 2.5. Now we have to see the divisor, and this is the divisor here. Okay, right side of the decimal we have one number, and that is in 10th place. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 10, as you can see here. Okay, so now we have to multiply by 10. So 83.48, this we have to multiply by 10, and you know very well the rule: when you have to multiply by 10, this decimal point will move right side by one place. Okay, so right now you can see the decimal point here, so it will move right side by one place. That means 834.8, this will be the answer. Okay, now we have 2.5 into 10. Okay, now we have to multiply 2.5 by 10. So when we multiply by 10, this decimal point will move right side by one place. That means this decimal point will come here. Okay, the answer is 25. Then decimal point will come here, and right side we can write 0. Okay, so 25 also we can write, no need to give decimal and 0. Understood? So here I am taking 25, and here 834.8. now this we have to divide. Understood? Now this decimal we have to divide by 25. Now let me show you how to divide. So first we'll take two digit number. So here we have 83 and here we have 25, so easily we can divide. So first it will go 3 times. Okay, 25 into 3, 75. When we subtract, we'll get 8. Now bring down this 4 here. Now again it will go 3 times. 25 into 3, 75. When we subtract, we'll get 9. Now you can see here decimal point. That means division of whole number part we have already finished. Okay, then we supposed to give here decimal point. Okay, supposed to give here decimal point. Now bring down this 8 here. Now it became 98. Now it will go 3 times. 25 into 3, 75. When we subtract, we'll get 23. Okay, now you can see here we don't have any number, so using this decimal point, now we have to take 0. Okay, so after taking 0, it became 230. Okay, now it will go 9 times. 25 into 9, 225. Okay, when we subtract, we'll get 5 here. Okay, now point already there, so using that we can take 0. Okay, so it will go now 2 times. 25 into 2, 50. Now when we subtract, we'll get 0. Understood? So answer is 33.392. Okay, so this is how you can solve when you have decimal number and that you have to divide by another decimal number. Understood? This is the way to solve. So children, today I have discussed some question from the exercise 8.4. Then after I shown you how to divide decimal number by another decimal number. Okay, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.